Hey everybody, this is Gary from Tech Review Ireland, and Cade made a fault you 100,000 welcomes to where we will be doing tech reviews and news Irish style. So how important is a 4K camera? Should you have a 4K camera? Sure enough, if you're hurrying down the side of a mountain at 400 miles an hour or in a Formula 1 car, but if you're just recording a video for YouTube, do you need one and are they affordable enough? Today we're going to be checking out the Aperture AC700 action cam. So let's jump into the video and check out some specs. So the Aperture AC700 supports Class 10 micro SDs up to 64 gigs and video from 4K at 30 frames per second right up to 720p at 120 frames per second. But I found that when you do go anywhere over 30 frames per second, the video footage starts to go shaky and blue and eventually freezes the camera, which is slightly disappointing. On the other hand, look at the amount of stuff that comes free with this camera. For something that cost me £50, which is €60 or $70, this comes absolutely chock full of accessories, including a handy remote control and two fully charged 1050 milliamp batteries. I'm so surprised with the amount of stuff I got with this, but now it's time to take this bad boy out for a spin. We're going to stick this on our very own Formula 3 car for a race, and then we're going to check out and see how the volume matches up with a modern smartphone.
And now for something completely different.
So there we have it. This little bad boy gets the thumbs up from Tech Review Ireland. Sure, it has its problems, but for £50, this is absolutely phenomenal. I still can't believe that you get a 4K camera and all that equipment for £50. So check out the link in the description below. It's my affiliate link, so it will not cost you any extra, but it will help me make more of these stupid videos. So if this video has helped you out in any way, please like, share and subscribe, and let's get this channel rocking. Thank you so much for coming along to check out my review of the Aperture AC700 Sports Cam, and until next time, peace. So there we have it. Hey everybody, this is Gary here from Tech Review Ireland. Everybody, this is Gary and nice and serious. Ready? Everybody, this is Gary and Katie here from Tech Review Ireland, and Kate made a fault you 100,000 welcomes. Breathe in. Breathe out. In. Out. Okay. Hey everybody, this is Gary and